Hey everyone, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATVMC giving you a closer look at the fork air bleeder valves from Tusk. Alright, so today we're giving you a quick look at these fork air bleeder valves coming from Tusk. And what these allow you to do is just quickly and easily bleed the air out of your forks, and what's nice about these is you don't have to use any tools to do such. You got to remember that with bikes that have spring forks, that as you ride, air pressure will build up inside your forks, and after a little bit of time, that air pressure can create a harsh feeling in your forks. So it's really important that you're bleeding those throughout the day, in between your motos, wherever it might be. You just want to make sure that you are bleeding your forks. Now normally to bleed your spring forks, you have a bleeder screw on the top of your fork, so you have to get a screwdriver, loosen that all the way out, let the air bleed out, and then you tighten it back down. So it's not a huge deal, but it does take a little bit more time, and you have to have a screwdriver with you. So if you don't have a screwdriver and you're out riding, well, it's gonna be pretty difficult to bleed the air out. And that is where these come in. So with these bleeder valves from Tusk, what's great about these, you just take your stock bleeder screws out, and then you're just gonna screw these in. Very simple to do, just make sure they're nice and snug once you have them installed. But once you've got them installed, to bleed the air out of your forks, all you have to do is just simply take your finger, press down on the top, you'll feel it compress, and as you're doing that, that will bleed the air out of your fork. So it just makes it faster, makes it easier, and again, you don't have to have any tools to do so. So whether it's between your motos, if you're just out riding with some buddies, if you want to bleed your forks, just press on the top of it, you're good to go. If you guys have any other questions about these, you can leave your comments below, give us a call or chat live online. We'll help get your questions answered. And to pick yours up, it's real simple. Just click on the link at the end of this video, but also remember that these are bike specific because there are different sizes. So when you're picking yours up, enter the make, the model, the year of your bike to ensure you get proper fitment. If you guys like this little product spotlight, well, do not hesitate, get subscribed to our YouTube channel, and that's gonna keep you up to date and in the loop on the latest gear guides, product reviews like you just saw today, our bike builds, our how-to videos, everything you need, we got it. I'm Chase, we'll see you on the trails.